Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Rose and Rag. So we have come to this beautiful place where we have the beautiful reservoir and also like many nature scenic places. So
yeah, we've come for a really short trek as well. It's getting sunny and it's getting cold in the middle as well, so it's pretty kind of mixed weather today and really windy as well. As you can already see, the color of our faces is completely changing by the second. So we've got an amazing bridge around as well, so we'll take you there as well. So stay tuned guys, this is going to be an exciting vlog.
So guys, we've come to this beautiful place, right? So we are starting our trek. So you can clearly see how it is divided. So this part of a place, we have a reservoir and we have gates and everything. And also they did mention we should not take any mountain bikes or such, because apparently in the past many people actually tried to do that and some people actually died falling into the reservoir. And if you see that particular path where we can see a trail path for the trekking. So if you go up there, you can see a lot of mountains and stuff. But if we go downstairs, as in down path, you can actually see the reservoir.
And a beautiful bridge as well. And there are some mountainous views as well. So it's such a beautiful location because it's so cold, but we are actually loving this view. It's really windy as well, so I hope it's clear. Our audio is clear. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to explore that bridge as well and take a short walk with us.
Absolutely. Just so don't go anywhere. Just follow us. So this is how it looks, guys. So this is the start of our trek as in down path trail, and I didn't wear the proper shoes today, but anyways, the location is just amazing. I think you guys should definitely take a look up.
I can hear your voice. I can hear your voice.
Guys, how is the location? Are you liking it? Oh my god, it is so freezing here, and we will definitely sit for a few hours here, probably like 1 or 2 hours here. So that's the plan for today, and then we'll make a move. So it is so pleasant and quiet. Trust me, you guys have to go out and go to these places like this. And I used to go to a lot of picnics with my family and friends and stuff, like to the reservoir places especially, and I'm just going back to my childhood. So cool, so amazing it is. And have you ever been to places like this? If not, I definitely recommend you guys. You should definitely go to places like this, and it will be a great relaxation for you guys.
I can hear your voice.
So guys, we've come to the end of this beautiful nature walk adventure video, and Rag, as you can see, has already turned cold because it's really cold. That's why, you know, husband should listen to what the wife says. So guys, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family as well, and please subscribe to our channel as well.
Thanks a lot.
We'll see you soon with lots more amazing vlogs. Stay tuned, please subscribe. Bye.